Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can download and install iOS 26 beta in your iPhone or iPad device. So if you want to download and install iOS 26 beta in your iPhone device, then here you'll need to watch this video completely so that you'll be able to install iOS 26 beta in your iPhone device. So first of all, here you'll need to open settings in your iPhone device, and here you'll need to scroll down, then tap on general. Then here you'll need to tap on iPhone storage, and here make sure that your iPhone device has enough storage. So if you don't have enough storage, then here you'll have to review your data and you will need to delete some unnecessary data from your iPhone device to avail more storage. Then after that, make sure that your iPhone device is enough charged. If your iPhone device is not charged, then you will not be able to install iOS 26 beta in your iPhone device. Then after that, here you'll need to again open settings, then tap on general. Then here you'll need to tap on software update. So after that, you will see this tab interface here. So here you will see that iOS 18.5 is showing up in my iPhone device. So here you will need to tap on your automatic updates. Then after that, here you'll need to turn on all these toggles from here. Then go back again, and here you will need to tap on beta updates. Tap on this. Then after that, you will see this tab interface here. So here you'll need to tap on iOS 26 developer beta. Tap on this. Then here you'll need to go back again. So now you can see that iOS 26 beta update is showing up in my iPhone device. Here I will need to tap on update now. After that, here you'll need to enter your iPhone passcode. So now you can see that iOS 26 beta update is installing in my iPhone device. So in this way, you can download and install iOS 26 beta update in your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.